COBOL tips and code open. Download subprogram utilities. Checkcon. Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of Word Office. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. Subprograms utilities. In this video, we will mention good practices to develop subprograms in COBOL, and we will also provide the code of 3 subprograms or useful routines. Characteristics of a COBOL subprogram. 1. The caller program calls with working storage section area. 2. The caller program calls with call name using area 1, area 2. But recommended use a single area with subfields. 3. The called routine receives the data in the linkage section area. 4. A subprogram has procedure division using area to linkage section. 5. A subprogram must validate the data it receives. 6. A subprogram must always return a return code. 7. An applet always has an additional program with a similar name and is used to test all defined test cases for the routine. 8. A subprogram does not have displays, does not send messages. 9. Avoid having files, 0 dependency. 10. A subroutine ends with go back, never with stop run. Program CCOX0100 execute subprogram. CCON0100 to obtain current date and time in various formats. Algorithm, with the verb except you get current date and time, then moves the obtained fields to the different formats of the output area and finishes. Result of execution CCOX0100. Here we show the result of the execution. You must obtain the same values. Program CCOX0102 execute subprogram. CCON0102 calculates that day of the week is a given date. Algorithm of CCON0102 subprogram calculates how many days have passed from January 1st, 0001 to the date requested, for which 1. Calculate how many days have passed from the year of the requested date. 2. Calculate how many days have passed from January 1st, 0001 year 1 to the year prior to the date requested, multiplying it by 365. 3. Calculate how many leap years there were and for each one add one more day to the total number of days. Divide the total number of days elapsed from January 1st, 0001 to the date requested, by 7, and the waste indicates which day of the week is the requested result. Result of execution CCOX0102. Here we show the result of the execution. You must obtain the same values. Program CCOX0103 executes subprogram. CCON0103 calculates hours between start time and end time. Algorithm CCO0103 convert start time and end time to seconds, and subtract to see how many seconds elapsed, then convert those seconds to HHMMSS and HH.HH format. Result of execution CCOX0103. Here we show the result of the execution. You must obtain the same value. the latest. An expert COBOL programmer has programmed schemes that he will reuse according to the situation, but what must always be maintained on good practices such as 1. Underline paragraphs. 2. A good indentation to align verbs and words. Pick from to value. 3. Use preset field names with W if they are working, with R if they are report, with T if they are tables or totals, with F if they are files. 4. Use only letters, numbers, and hyphens in names. 5. Use a lot of commentary helping to understand who is going to read our program. All these recommendations can be searched on the web and should be of additional use to the standards of the installation where you are working on. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck.